I'm just going to read out few comments in front of you. These are the comments which we have got from some of our fans and viewers on our existing videos, okay? So let's see how can you guys help them out. This is coming from a girl. She's saying, what if guys had periods?
They'll die.
What if guys had periods?
Nightmare.
That's kind of
If guys had periods,
I wish this happened. They would know the pain. They would know what is it actually, and they just make fun of it.
It's not about even pain. It's like there are guys who make fun or who don't understand.
Really?
Yeah.
again blank. What is the name of this person who actually commented?
Why blank?
Good
You
one.
have to think for something. This guy has a question, okay? So he's saying, see, my girlfriend is a gold digger. I don't want to dump her just like that, okay? I want to take revenge and probably, teach her a lesson, okay?
We know many of them.
You know many of them.
Yeah.
Exactly.
call us. We can help you out.
ठीक है ना, मना कर देना, नहीं लेके दूंगा सामान, खत्म, वही छोड़ देंगे.
Is it rich?
Nothing new.
A wise man once said that you should watch QRT videos twice a week. A very warm welcome to India's premium YouTube channel Quick Reaction Team, and I'm your host Pranoy. This time we have taken up your comments to the streets once again. This is one of the most craziest episodes we have produced so far. So like every time, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. This coming from a girl, okay? She wants to know that what if guys had periods?
बड़ा अजीब क्वेश्चन है.
No. I never had that feeling. I don't know, man. I mean, guys are good with managing time and.
Tough time. Yeah, it would have been a real tough time.
Even if there are mood swings, the friends would be like, "अरे चलना है यार, बाहर में जाए, तू चल क्या यार, period कर रहा है."
When we are in our schooling days, they literally make fun.
Yeah, they check girls' bags also. कि हाँ, इसमें they had that.
Are you serious?
Yeah, having periods, they'll know how intense suffering and pain we go through.
So will you be happy if guys start having them?
Yeah.
I've had girlfriends, we've obviously discussed all these parts. It's very difficult, dealing with periods and stuff, every month there's menstruation.
Probably seen me, like, oh, so much pain, he doesn't want it, I'm sure.
Happy one when
Yeah,
if guys
I
start.
want the guy to experience it and go through the pain and whatnot and feel it. He'll be grossed out. And no.
Will you be happy if guys start having?
Very happy.
Yeah. Why?
This should happen. 1 month. 1 month boy.
But why?
Equality.
Equality.
Yeah.
The girls who are there within my life, they discuss this menstruation cycle with me. I try to understand that. And
We have the feeling of respect from them.
So you're totally chilled out with the fact that you would want to also experience it.
yeah,
sure.
definitely.
Come on, man. Who'll? I don't want to be in pain for the next 7-8 days, so I don't want.
So this guy is saying, see, my girlfriend is a gold digger. I don't want to simply dump her. Okay. I want to teach her a lesson, okay, and then probably dump her. Please ask people about some really cool suggestions, like
Why not in an easy
to
way?
teach her a lesson. Apparently, the girl is a gold digger.
I mean, the first suggestion should be like the jealousy trap. Obviously, if you're going out with a girlfriend and you meet some friends, and some of the friends are girls,
Okay.
so you can just go on casually hitting on girls and like flirting. So that always works because jealousy is like, it gives the girls the kick that this guy is socially somewhat elevated. So people just, so girls just get excited and they'll like take revenge on the other girl and then pay you back.
Listen, I am not experienced because I've never been into a relationship, so maybe she can explain it better.
It's hitting your ego and you're trying to just counter it. Avoid it, yeah. Go out with somebody else who's not a gold digger, who respects you, values you. There's no point taking revenge. आज तुम revenge लोगे, कल को वो कुछ करेगी, यार. It's a never-ending
It's not
process.
gonna solve anything.
Yeah, it's not gonna solve. What will you gain out of it? Nothing. Self-satisfaction. Be satisfied with yourself. Yeah, there's a lot of things to do in the world.
Shop a lot and send the bills at her
Maybe he
address.
should go to what?
Shop a lot and
And
Career
later
the
pay the bill.
yeah.
Pay the bill.
Yeah.
That's kind of
Or
nasty.
maybe
Or maybe go to a launch, party hard, drink a lot, and then let her and then tell her like,
I'm going to the washroom and leave.
or maybe then tell her I'm drunk, or just act like you're sleeping, and then let her pay the bill. Simple.
Well, they can go on a 5-star date. And then all of a sudden he's like, oh sorry, I forgot my wallet, or I have to go to the washroom and never come back and stuff.
Take her somewhere, let her shop something. In the end, tell that I didn't bring my wallet or something. Don't pay it, let her pay.
You see, gold digger, it's just a term. People actually talk and behave in terms of their social standing. So if your standing increases, and in front of a girl the standing increases when you are good with other girls. So if you're good with other girls, so money does not matter. So the gold digger thing just goes.
I will say just back off and let me live my life. That's it.
That is it.
Yeah, I don't have that much time to take revenge because I have so much work to do, basically.
Other girls also.
Yeah.
So let's not lose on options.
I don't think you should drop to her standards. Just say you're a gold digger, have fun with your life, I'm out. Peace.
This person is saying, please ask people that whether they will go against their parents to marry other guy or other girl who is of some other caste or some other religion, okay? Where your parents are totally against it. How are you guys going to either convince it or confront it?
See, there will be a situation when you are asking like, what if they don't get convinced?
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
So I can say like, yeah, then I'm going to stay like this and leave. You can answer whatever everyone is going to ask you. See, caste and religion doesn't really make a difference these days. The person should be a good person by heart, and otherwise I don't think caste and religion should come into this.
I'm a pretty practical person. I won't even start of something I know my parents won't allow.
Love is love. It doesn't matter what religion, caste, sex, whoever they are. If you love them, you should love them. Yeah, your parents have no say in it.
I'll ask the guy to change his caste.
I think I will go against my parents, but you have to think practically. Sometimes your financial situation and your social situation and your economic condition is such that you cannot go against them. But I think you should just take the try. And there is good advice that I want to give. See, love is not everything. You need to have ambitions. If you are viewing your life as your love story, as an end to your life, then you're thinking wrong. You should have ambitions, and then love should be like the satisfactory thing that comes with it. Okay. So you should not screw up your life for that. You should have ambitions and then run away.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Why don't you guys take this poll by clicking here and tell us that do you want to see QRT videos once a week or twice a week? Besides, if you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. To get all our fresh videos first on YouTube, click the subscribe button right here. To see all the behind the scene pictures and videos of the shoot, do follow us on our Raposo and Instagram. I will see you guys every Tuesdays and every Fridays 4 PM with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, goodbye. So guys, who is a gold digger according to you?
Gold digger.
Narendra Modi.
The one who sleeps with someone for the money.
I would say Abhinav Bindra.
कहाँ जाती है घूमने?
आप मत देखो ना आप
Rohtak.
अरे नहीं.
Gurgaon.
कहाँ जाती है?